Industry has undergone a massive transformation. It's no longer just about automating production lines. Today we are dealing with three pillars that define a new era: data, connections, and decisions.
The most significant change in my field today is mainly the digital transformation. This is the objective for many customers. Today the industry is struggling to turn into reality.
The technologies work in control-specific conditions, but industrial environments are messy, unpredictable, and legacy-heavy.
The biggest impact at the moment is the development of AI solutions throughout the entire software development lifecycle. This is where we see the most optimization potential.
5 years ago, we had the data. Today, we have the methods, how to turn it into the action.
The role of the engineers today is to create added value. All the monitoring, all the looking for information could be delegated to an AI system. The added value is taking decision, having strategic behavior, and that's why it's augmented engineers.
Technology is only as powerful as the person's ability to use it.
The most impactful skill is the domain and system level thinking. And how do we bring that AI or the automation specific to my domain, my industry?
We are able to bring real-time value with real-time data, but putting agentic AI on top of it with predictive maintenance and prescriptive maintenance, that's quite a challenge.
The hardest technical problem is finding the solution that is rigorous enough to work and human enough to be used. Technology enables, usability delivers.
The real shift isn't just the technology. At ALTEN, we believe industry's future isn't written by algorithms alone. It's shaped by people who knows how to use them.